Thinking about selling your home but overwhelmed by the process? You're not alone. Most homeowners, especially downsizers and move-up sellers, have no idea what really happens from the day they decide to sell to the day they hand over the keys. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire selling process, from start to finish, so there are no surprises. I'm Gimpert with O'Neill Property Group, and I help Naperville homeowners sell for top dollar with less stress. If you're planning to sell in the next 6 to 12 months, this video is your roadmap. And if you want a personalized strategy for your home, head to the link in the description to get your free home valuation. Now let's dive into what really happens once you decide to sell your home. The first step is getting your home ready. This includes a walkthrough with me, light repairs, staging advice, and professional photography. Our goal here is simple: make your home show ready so it stands out in the Naperville market. And if you want to make your home irresistible to buyers, check out my video on 7 staging tips to sell your home fast and for top dollar. It's linked below or at the end of this video. Once your home is looking its best, the next step is just as important: pricing it right. Next, we run a comparative market analysis to price your home correctly. Not too high, not too low. And in today's market, pricing right from day one is the #1 factor that affects how fast and how high you sell. And unlike Zillow or Redfin, my valuation is hyper-local to Naperville, based on real-time market trends, recent sales in your neighborhood, and customized to your home's features and upgrades. With the right price in place, it's time to make your home impossible to miss. Once your home is ready and priced, we launch a custom marketing campaign. Professional photos, video tours, email blasts, social media ads, and direct outreach to local buyer agents. We don't just list, we launch. My goal is to maximize exposure in those critical first 7 to 10 days on the market. That exposure leads to showings and hopefully multiple offers. Showings typically begin immediately, and our aim is to generate strong interest quickly. I'll guide you through reviewing every offer, negotiating the best terms, and helping you avoid common pitfalls, especially if you're coordinating a move-up purchase or juggling timelines. Once we accept the best offer, the next phase begins: managing the deal from contract to closing. Once you accept an offer, the buyer schedules their inspection and appraisal. This is where things can get complicated, but I stay on top of every detail: repair negotiations, contingency timelines, buyer financing status so you don't have to. My job is to keep things moving towards a smooth closing. We're almost at the finish line. Next up is the big day, closing. On closing day, we review the final documents. Sign everything, and you hand over the keys. You get paid, and we celebrate a successful sale, and often the beginning of your next chapter, whether that's downsizing or moving up. But before you go, let me prepare you for a few surprises that often catch sellers off guard. Here's what most sellers don't expect: buyer financing delays, low appraisals, and nitpicky inspection issues. I handle all of these behind the scenes to protect your bottom line and timeline, especially critical for move-up sellers who need everything to align. My goal is to make sure you're never blindsided. Want to dodge the biggest seller regrets? Watch my video on avoid these common mistakes when selling your house, linked below or on the next video up. If you're even thinking about selling in Naperville or anywhere in DuPage County, let's talk. Click the link below to get your free home valuation. You'll get a custom breakdown of what your home could sell for in today's market, and a strategy to help you win. Once again, I'm Gimpert with O'Neill Property Group, and I hope to see you in the next video.